I'm extremely disturbed that they should manhandle children in the name of security. I mean, what? They're little kids. We attend matches. They were leaving the stadium, and there is no right to touch little girls who are not even 13 years old physically. And I think that is completely unpardonable. And a lot of things they're saying on television is because obviously they're the only ones there, so they can say what they want. But I think it's unpardonable that you physically and manhandle children in the name of security. What are the kids going to do? We were not on the pitch. We were on the side. Actually, if the videos and photographs are there, they can check it. We were on the side. The kids were throwing ball and catching. And they caught these little girls and started pushing. And that's when I got really angry. I was on top actually, and I saw it from there. So I think it's unpardonable. I didn't go for the match. I went to pick up my children. I have no interest, and it does not change my line of being or my life by not allowing me to some stadium. We are not like this. All little children are my children. Audience, people who come. I go after losing a match and say thank you to everyone in the stadiums. I think with all due respect to these organizations, if anyone's got sportsman spirit, I have the maximum of it. And I would never ever. We are actors. We are public figures. We would never ever be abusive or disregard an audience. And not for a small thing like. And after winning a match, why would I be being rude to a little child or a fan? I mean, I wave out to everyone, even in Kolkata. If my team loses, I shake hands with everyone. I think that's completely. I've been listening to some of the interviews that gentleman is giving, and I think, pardon my French, but he speaks crap.
लड़की को आपने जो फैन आई थी उसको
मैं किसी को पूछूंगा
कहीं वो आपको फंसाने की कहीं
वो बिल्कुल हर तरह से झूठ है. मैं हर रोज फैन से मिलता हूँ. मैं सैटरडे संडे को अपने घर से बाहर निकल के लोगों से मिलता हूँ और मैच जीतने या हारने के बाद हमने कभी भी किसी से बदअखलाकी या बदतमीजी नहीं की. एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट हमारी जो केकेआर की ओनरशिप है या वैसे भी कहा जाए तो हम सबसे ज़्यादा स्पोर्ट्समैन लाइक हैं. हम हर टीम को मिलते हैं, अपनी ऑडियंस को जब हम हारते हैं जीतते हैं सबको गले लगाते हैं. आई थैंक everyone who comes to watch the matches because this is what we live for. We live with the audience. And it will be very small of me at this age and stage to look at another fan from another team when my team has won and misbehaved. I mean, it's very unfortunate what the gentleman is saying. And I think it's, like I said, I don't think, it's very easy to take on a celebrity and keep on saying what you wish to and everybody will believe. It's extremely fashionable. Oh, he was drunk. Oh, he was abusive. Oh, he was angry. And, it's their association, so most of those guys who are present there, they should even, as a matter of fact, look at themselves, how they were behaving for no reason at all. I wasn't wanting to be on the field. I didn't want to do anything with them. I just came to pick my children up and I wanted to go. And I think what they did is completely wrong.